Yes. In this video, we are going to study about area of polygons. Yeah. I'm taking a question here, child, where we have already dealt in the previous videos. We have already done area of quadrilaterals and triangle. Yes, rhombus, different types of quadrilaterals like rhombus, parallelogram. Yes. Now here we will deal with problem area of polygons. Now this is a polygon. If you can see this figure, yes, if the field is in this shape, yeah, I hope you can see A, B, C, D, E, F and this. So what we have done, it's done this to calculate its area, it is divided into triangles and quadrilaterals. Okay, like AGF is a triangle, GIEF is a trapezium, you can say, yeah, because all these are perpendicular, one pair of opposite side is parallel. This is again EID is a triangle. So if we find the figures, areas of this triangle, then this trapezium, then this triangle, again we have JCD, another triangle, we have HBCJ, a trapezium, and we have another triangle which is ABH. Yes, if we find, that means this figure is divided, this polygon, yes, is divided into 6 figures, and if we find the area of each figure, we can find the area of the polygon. Now to know the area of a triangle, we should know the area of the base and the height. To know the area of this is a trapezium, like we should know the parallel sides and the distance between parallel sides. Yes, okay. Now coming to this, what is given? This is a figure. Here all the perpendicular distances you can see are written here. 2.5, this GF, then EI is 3 centimeter, then JC is 2 centimeter, and BH is 2.5. This is also given in the question that AD, see all distances they are measuring from A point. AD is 9 centimeter. If you see here AD, that means this whole length is 9 centimeters. Okay. And AJ, from A to J, it is 7 centimeters. A to J it is 7. So how can you calculate JD? JD will be equal to 9 minus 7. AD minus AJ is JD. Okay. So we'll get the height of this triangle JCD. Now coming to, they have given AI as 6 centimeter. Now AI is 6 centimeter, AH is 4 centimeters, and AG is 2 centimeters. Yes, so this is 2 centimeters, AG is 2. From A, all distances are measured from A. A to G is 2 centimeter. A to H is 4 centimeters. Yes, A to I is 6 centimeters. A to J was 7 centimeters and A to D is 9 centimeters. Now let us find the area of all the figures separately. Coming to this area of triangle AFG. Yes, AFG. Yes, AG is given as 2. This is 2.5. So half into 2 into 2.5, that gives you 2.5. 2 cancels and 2.5 centimeters square. Okay, so this is area of this figure. Now coming to area of trapezium, FGIE. You can see the parallel sides, children. Yes, sum of we know area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides. Into this distance we need to calculate GI. So how will we calculate GI? GI is AI is 6 centimeter minus AG. AG is 2 centimeters. So AI is 6 minus 2, that means GI will be 4 centimeters. You can see here. Yes, so half into GI into sum of parallel sides is 2.5 plus 3, that we have written here. So half into GI, how will you calculate GI? AI minus AG. Okay, AI, from A to I it is how much? 6 centimeter. And A to G is how much? 2 centimeter. So this 6 minus this 2 will give you GI, which is 4 centimeters. Clear? 6 minus 2 and 2.5 plus 3 is 5.5. When you calculate this, 2 cancels, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Yes, 5.5 into 2, double of 5 is 10. So 5.5 is 11 centimeters square. This is the area of this figure. Now coming to area of triangle EID. Yeah, for that we need EI, that is the height, which is 3 centimeter, and we also need ID. So what is AD equal to? AD was 9 and AI was equal to 6. So if I subtract 9 minus 6, I get ID. Yes, getting it? 9 minus 6. So half into 9 minus 6. Why 9 minus 6? Because all distances A to D is 9 and A to I is 6. Yes, so 9 minus 6, that is 3 centimeters, and height is 3. So half into 3 into 3, 9 divided by 2 is 4.5 centimeters square. Okay. Now coming to the next triangle, which is next, we are coming to the other side of this AD, triangle ABH. Yes, if you see AH is given as 4, it is given as 4, and BH is 2.5. So half into 4 into 2.5. Half into 2.5 into 4, which will give you 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2.5 into 2, that is 5 centimeters square. Okay. Next is area of trapezium. Now coming to this trapezium. Yes, that is BCJH. BCJH. You can see the parallel sides are 2 and 2.5. But how will you find HJ? HJ, you'll find A to J is 7 centimeter and A to H is 4 centimeter. So this much is 4 and this much is 7. So 7 minus 4. So HJ will be equal to 3 centimeter, which is 7 minus 4. Clear? So area of this trapezium BCJH is half into sum of parallel sides is 2 and 2.5 into distance between the parallel sides, that is AJ minus AH. AJ minus AH, which is 7 minus 4, which is 3. So half into 4.5 into 3, that gives you 6.75 centimeters square. Okay. Now last is this triangle JCD. We already know this base height, this you can call it a base or a height. Base is 2 centimeters and this will be how much? JD, how will you find? AD minus AJ. AD is 9 and AJ is 7. Yes, AJ is 7. Please note down these dimensions are given. AD 9 centimeter, AJ 7 centimeter, AI 6 centimeter, AH is 4 centimeter, AG is 2 centimeter. All distances are starting from A. So it becomes very easy to calculate the distance AJD. If you want to calculate, that is AD minus AJ. AD is how much? 9 and AJ is 7. So 9 minus 7, so this is also 2. So half into 2 into 9 minus 7, that is 2 into 2. So 2 cancels, 2 centimeter square is the area of this. Now if I have to calculate the total area of the figure, so first was 2.5 centimeter square, then we had 11 centimeter square, then we had 4.5, then 5, then 6.75 and 2. So total area is, when you add this comes out to be 31.75 centimeters square. This is how we will find the area of polygons. We will break the polygon into triangles and quadrilaterals, whichever quadrilaterals possible. Here we have divided it into these two are trapeziums and the rest are triangles. Okay, and we'll find the base and the height and whatever dimensions are required to find the area of the triangle. So basic is, you should know how to find the area of a triangle. You should know the formula for area of a trapezium. You should know the formula for area of, yes, all the basic figures, rectangles, square, whatever can be formed. Okay. Yes, this is how we do for polygons. Thank you.